name's Steve Leese, and this is my 1990 R32 Nissan Skyline GTR. I wanted to make it respectably quick, and I wanted to make it what I laid down and fell asleep dreaming about as a kid. It was cool to get to experience the car essentially stock, but we had to sort some things out just to kind of keep the car alive and pretty much stock over there, last summer. And then it was just time to make it faster.
The things we had to figure out and learn ourselves was crazy.
This was actually one of the coolant ports in the block.
It's like a crazy therapist. You enjoy working on it. It's a getaway from a stressful day at work or whatever's going on in your life to you've been working on it so long that you just don't want to look at it anymore and you just want to lock it away.
I'm tired of it. I'm done. I'm done.
Here we go again.
The one word I would use to describe this car and the experience that I've had with it is, dude, I don't know, man.
It is an indescribable car, a feeling.
You become a part of it and the car becomes a part of you.